Roadmap for first-year B.Tech students to help navigate their initial year effectively. 1. Understand the curriculum. 1. Review syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the syllabus for each subject. 1. Understanding what's expected can help you plan your study schedule. 2. Get to know the faculty. Introduce yourself to your professors and teaching assistants. 2. Building a rapport can be beneficial. 2. Academic planning. 1. Time management. Create a timetable that includes class hours, study time, assignments, and revision periods. 1. Balance your academic work with personal time. 2. Study techniques. Develop effective study habits and techniques. 2. Consider methods like active recall, spaced repetition, and making concise notes. 3. Core subjects. 1. Mathematics. Focus on foundational topics like calculus, algebra, and differential equations. 2. Basic engineering subjects. Topics like engineering mechanics, physics, chemistry, and computer programming are crucial. 3. Laboratory work. Pay attention to lab sessions, as they provide practical knowledge and hands-on experience. 4. Skill development. 1. Programming skills. If you have programming courses, practice coding regularly. 1. Websites like LeetCode or HackerRank can be useful. 2. Technical writing. Learn to write clear and concise reports and documentation. 3. Soft skills. Develop communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. 5. Extracurricular activities. 1. Clubs and societies. Join engineering clubs, technical societies, or interest groups to broaden your horizons and network with peers. 2. Workshops and seminars. Attend workshops, guest lectures, and seminars to gain additional insights into your field. 6. Health and well-being. 1. Physical health. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are important. 1. Find activities you enjoy and make time for them. 2. Mental health. Manage stress through relaxation techniques, hobbies, or counseling if needed. 7. Explore and innovate. 1. Projects. Engage in small projects or competitions related to your field. 1. It helps in practical learning and application of concepts. 2. Internships. Although not common in the first year, exploring internships or industry visits can provide valuable exposure. 8. Build a strong foundation. 1. Conceptual clarity. Focus on understanding fundamental concepts, as they are crucial for advanced topics in later years. 2. Peer learning. Form or join study groups to discuss and solve problems collaboratively. 9. Career orientation. 1. Explore specializations. Start exploring different branches of engineering and specializations to understand what interests you. 2. Career guidance. Seek advice from mentors, professors, or career counselors about future career paths and opportunities. 10. Personal development. 1. Goal setting. Set short-term and long-term academic and personal goals. 2. Feedback and improvement. Regularly seek feedback on your performance and work on areas of improvement. 11. Administrative tasks. 1. Keep track of deadlines. Be aware of exam schedules, assignment deadlines, and other important dates. 2. Maintain records. Keep a record of your grades, attendance, and any other relevant academic information. 12. Stay updated. 1. Technology trends. Stay informed about the latest trends and advancements in technology and engineering fields. Tips for success. 1. Stay curious. Cultivate a mindset of curiosity and continuous learning. 2. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for help from peers or professors if you're struggling with a topic. 3. Stay organized. Keep your study materials and notes well organized for easy access and review. This roadmap should help you navigate through your first year with a balanced approach to academics, skill development, and personal growth.